Huwag mo isipin na pinagkakaisahan ka namin, Rica. We're not doing that. Hindi ka namin hindi ka namin sinasabihin na masama sa patalikod. Sa paharap lang. Charot. Hindi. Hindi talaga hindi ka namin wala kami sinasabing masama sa inyo. Tingin ka na naman.
Pero tama ba yung hinala ko? He's just playing, right?
Ano?
He's just playing.
Playing? Ano sabi mo ano mo sa kanya? Player? Parang hindi naman ganun.
Pero parang ganun lang.
Hindi.
Mahirap.
Kailangan mo lang talaga Hirap din kasi nito ni Aleck. Kailangan babae yung maghabol sa kanya. Sabihin mo lang sa kanya na may naririnig ako mga ganito, ganyan. Kailangan mo i-clear out kasi gusto
Anong ganitong ganyan sasabihin niya? Ano yung mga ganitong ganyan?
yung ano ba yung sinabi mo? Na may something kang parang ano ba yung sinasabi mo? Ano sinabi mo nun? Ano sinabi ni Basti?
May sinabi siya na hindi totoo?
Oh, yun. May sinabi ka raw na hindi totoo.
Sa akin?
Sa'yo. Oo. Sa akin, sabi mo. And hindi ako makatulog, ganyan. Kasi nag-overthink ako. Alam mo naman na overthinker ako, ganun. Sabihin mo ganun. Sabihin mo din, of course, you're one of the closest friends dito sa bahay. Ganyan. And I value you as a person. Kaya sana naman, wag mo naman akong ginaganyan. Parang pina-overthink mo ako. Like that. Kasi if we truly see you as a friend, as in very best friend, hindi niya gagawin yan sa'yo. Na overthink ka niya. Dapat nga siya yung unang lumapit sa'yo, hindi ikaw eh. Yan nangyari, ikaw yung
Sinabi naman niya sa akin kanina na we're gonna talk naman.
Yun naman pala, Rica. Talk naman pala kayo. Bakit nagkaganyan ka pa?
Because I heard something na parang I feel like it's not a good thing. It's a bad thing.
Siyempre, kailangan mong
Why people are treating me like this palagi?
No. Feeling ko talaga it's something na Pero, I don't want to talaga. Ayoko kasi I'm not experienced like that. Hindi ko rin alam yung mapipil mo like that. Just be strong. I want you to be strong. Heads up always. Let's just enjoy the day. Hirap din kasi yung ganyan. Tanungin kita, Rica. Gusto mo ba si Aleck?
Hindi.
Sure ka? Or kinikilig ka ba sa kanya?
I just care about him because he's one of my closest friends.
Closest friend? Like, Basti and Jay?
Yeah. Like he's the one na parang halimbawa when I feel down. He comforts me. And we talk, ganyan, dami namin din things in common. So, ayun, I feel comfortable when I talk to him. Kasi he's also the one of the guy friends ko dito na nakakapag-open up ako.
And of course, ayaw mong mawala yung pagkakaibigan ng ganun, di ba?
Yes.
Kung mag-alala, hindi yan mawawala. I know Aleck have something to say naman. He has reason naman siguro na valid. And you have just to find it out. No, we just want to be in a drama mode. Charot.
No, am I allowed to listen? Or na, I'll leave if I'm not allowed.
We're just topic and the topic is Korean barbecue and everything.
Okay ka lang, Rica.
It's so sad.
No.
Why? What happened?
Because people are playing with my feelings.
Huh?
People are playing with my feelings.
Blaming?
Playing with her feelings.
Playing with your feelings? How? Who?
I feel like it's Aleck.
Aleck? Why? What did he do?
I don't know. People just told me na yesterday he said something na hindi naman daw totoo about sa akin.
Who told you?
May narinig ako.
Someone. Hindi niya pwedeng mag-name drop.
Narinig.
Ayaw niya mag-name drop.
What did Aleck tell you recently? What did Aleck tell you?
He didn't tell me anything. May sinabihan lang siya sa mga tao tungkol sa akin, towards me, na hindi daw totoo. I don't know if it was yesterday.
How are you and Aleck now?
Pinansin naman niya ako yung umaga and he said na we're gonna talk later.
Let's wait for the talk na lang.
Huwag ka na lang mag-overthink.
But
Don't overthink.
do you know?
Yeah.
See, everyone knows. Why I don't?
Kasi hindi
Because
naman
it
namin
was,
pwede,
ano,
diba?
we didn't know which one was which. I don't know which is which. But I know what he told you because you told us.
Huh?
Diba?
Huh?
Diba you told us what he said before?
Na?
Na he likes you.
He likes me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Remember you told us that? So yeah.
And he denied it.
I don't know about that. I know that that's what Glenda told me.
Na he denied it.
Yeah. But I think he was doing that for the sake of Basti. I think he was just doing that because he wants to give way
Kailangan
to
mo lang
Basti.
just hear out Aleck na lang. Ano yung
Yeah, you need to
puso.
hear him
Kasi
out
hindi
first.
kasi rin namin alam.
Yeah, we
eh.
don't know. It's just sources kasi.
It's just
And
a
maybe
chismis, diba?
he doesn't want the thing planted on him because of the thing that Basti will do. So we'll just have to wait it out.
Kailangan talaga sila yung
You need to talk.
Kailangan talaga before sa ano eh.
Kaya nga.
Kasi pag ganyan
Parang-
yan, hindi na yan mag-e-enjoy sa pool party.
Parang ako pa talaga, ako pa
Go
yung,
call him now.
ako pa yung ano, masama tuloy.
Hindi. You're
Yes.
not the
No,
masama.
hindi,
Oh my
hindi,
gosh.
no.
If anything, it's
Yes.
annoying. It's Aleck.
Ako pa yung parang lumabas na,
No.
oh my God.
No. It's not your fault. I think you should talk to Aleck now.
Wala naman tayong ginagawa, di ba?
Yeah, we're just waiting right now. Rica, don't think it's your fault.
Rica.
It's really not.
It's not your fault. Okay?
Boys are so
Gusto mo-
confusing.
Yeah. Hindi rin namin sila naintindihan.
Yeah.
Ganyan talaga.
I think he was just for me. I think he was just doing that because of the Basti thing, and he doesn't want anyone teasing him and you because Basti mentioned that it hurts him, diba? Because Basti mentioned that it hurts him when they tease you together. So maybe that's why he said that.
Hindi namin alam.
I don't know the truth lang, but I know the
Siya lang
truth that you
nakakaalam.
told us because I know it came from you mismo.
Gusto niyo mag-usap ngayon? Papasukin namin siya dito at aalis kami. Okay
Pwede.
lang?
Yeah.
Pwede siya pumasok dito?
Pwede.
Leave the door open lang. Don't ano na lang.
No. Ay,
Pwede ba?
may kamera naman. Kailangan.
Yeah nga, I mean,
Wala naman
wait
silang
lang. Let me
gagawin.
touch up first.
Oo, pwede lang ano, pwede